Hi guys, how are you? This is Sumit from IIC. Today I have brought an interesting business opportunity of things that we can do from India. Even if you're a working professional, you can still do it. And that's the business of e-commerce. We can actually focus on building a disposable products e-commerce store since these products have got a global demand. And we can export these products to the whole world by using our own e-commerce store and also from marketplaces like Amazon, Alibaba, and many more e-commerce marketplaces. I'll teach you the whole step-by-step process, but before that, I want to tell you that your investment is not there in terms of buying or supplying any of these products. You just have to maintain this e-commerce business. I'll be guiding you. I'll be teaching you the entire step-by-step method. Just follow me till the end of the video so you learn this interesting business concept. And if you like it, this low-cost business opportunity can be yours. And I'll be here to assist you till end of this program so that you can build a highly successful business with me. What you see here is Amazon.com. What you see here is disposable plates. This is one of the kind of product. There are many more things. What you're seeing is 90,000 sales. 90,000 in the last month people have bought. And at what price? $5.97, right? If you calculate, it's almost like $500,000 value of sale. If you see here 100,000 sales at $6, that means $6 lakh value of sales. 6 lakh is how much? Almost 5 crore rupees somebody has made selling these disposable products. 20,000 sales at $11. That means about another 2 crores somebody has made, maybe more in that. 50,000 sales at $25. 1,000 sales at $19. These are good number of sales that are happening on Amazon. Now you may be thinking that how you can get these kind of sales. Of course, it's very easy to get such sales. You just need the right type of e-commerce marketing training that I will be guiding you, and you need the supplier who are having the good products which we can supply. And trust me, if we are doing wholesale B2B business, this amount of money we can make in single sale itself. This is the power of e-commerce. What you're seeing here is Lazada.com. This is a site of Singapore. This is Rakuten. This is site for Japan. And what you see everywhere is these kind of products which are disposable are always in demand. Etsy is known for its handcrafted products, and the demand of disposable products are very high. This is noon.com. This is Dubai's website, and here also you can see disposable products are listed here. So I'm here to guide you on how we can build a highly successful e-commerce business of different types of dispel. So I'm here to guide you with the plug and play e-commerce export business. I'll teach you how to export disposable cutlery and crockery items. This will be highly profitable, semi-automated business that you can start today itself without much investment, because I'm giving you everything what you are seeing right now. Suppliers contact, to the pricing setup, store setup, digital marketing, the lead generation, everything. Of course, you will have to learn this. I will be teaching you and you will be following this process. You know how many people in the past, I used to see this kind of newspaper advertisements used to be there, where it used to be written like, we are looking for someone to start a business from home. They can do paper cup business and all. So from here, I got this idea that these products we are manufacturing in India. These products we can directly export from India to the international market. And these are unbranded products. There is no name for it. You just have to list like how many pieces we are going to sell. Let's say we are saying about one whole box will sell, and one box has, let's say, 10,000 of these paper plates. So that means 10,000 paper plates at once we can sell, right? And this is all disposable. We just need to market it in the international market on online, and we can make good amount of sale. I'm an export mentor and guide. My job is to make sure that I should teach you how you can make big amount of profits, big amount of sales, high ticket value sales. And these products already have demand in restaurants, in cafes, in hospitals, hotels, and many manufacturing companies. They all need these things. So since there's a demand in the whole world, so why not we get into a business which India is number one for? Disposable products can be exported from India. You will have the e-commerce store builder where you can customize it completely. Now let me tell you the whole step-by-step process in short. I'm going to give you the training, the mentorship, the guidance, so that you can learn about how to do digital marketing, how to do sales. The most important part is getting sales. E-commerce store I'll be giving you, buyer's data I'll be giving you. I'll teach you how to do digital marketing, how to generate traffic, how to generate leads, how to do sales, how to effectively get into the top of Google search, how to be in all social media channels, how to create different types of contents so that people can see your contents and they can contact you for buying in bulk quantity. Of course, like right now I'm making a content and listening to me. Same way, when people are listening to you, they will be contacting you. So what's one important thing right now? What you're getting from me, you're getting certification, you're getting the mentorship, you're getting the guidance, right? You're getting the entire sales funnel from me, you're getting all the certifications, you're getting the complete practical training, and you'll be also getting one-on-one support from my side so that you can build this highly successful business. Okay, in short, I'll tell you, I'm giving you business opportunity, I'm also giving you mentorship, I'm also giving you the buyer's database and suppliers contact, and that is also not for one time, lifetime access, lifetime update, lifetime support. And it's not just me, there are other mentors also in IIC. Indian e-commerce, it's a fully registered institute. So even if you are right now working in some company or you are a student, I want you to start this business today because this will transform your life completely. At least your financial life will be changed and you'll become highly successful. I'm giving this content to you for lifetime. You will get different formats of content like ebooks and white papers and case studies and different study material all with you forever. This is some of my work that I've done in my past, working with government bodies and university professors and entrepreneurs and successful people. This institute is fully affiliated, so don't worry about the credibility or the quality of content and the training. You can trust it because all these agreements are already attached. With Amazon, we have worked. With Alibaba, we have worked. We have already trained more than million plus people in Alibaba and Amazon and companies like this. With WT, I was a jury. Jury is like a judge. So all this experience, whatever I'm showing you, this is for you to gain that first-hand experience and build your own e-commerce export business. Whatever the information is there, it's all there in my website, in my LinkedIn, and all the places. I want you to take this initiative today. Start your e-commerce business because Indian e-commerce is giving you everything is plug and play model. One interesting thing is my own e-commerce store. Here I'm making sales. I'm already doing it. I'm just giving you the opportunity to start your own e-commerce business where you can simply list all the products. And this is all easy to do. Simply, click on this and bulk upload the products. Click here and you can see that you can list the products, you can do SEO, social media marketing, search engine optimization, everything you can do. And this is going to be your own domain name, www.yourname.com, or whatever the name you want in that way. It's not like my website is separate. It's your website, your own name, your own brand, your own complete control on this. You can add your own people, this is like you have the WordPress website or Shopify website like that. Directly people can pay you and you can do the shipping. I will teach you, I'll set up this for you completely, don't worry. And I'm also giving you many softwares and tools in this as part of the package itself. So everything included as a part of package I'm giving you for this ready-made business opportunity. So I don't want to miss you. I don't want you to miss you. I don't want you to miss this opportunity. Cut. So I don't want you to miss this opportunity where you can make great amount of profits by exporting disposable cutlery and crockery items from India to the international market with this plug and play e-commerce store that I'm giving you. So in 2 to 3 years time, you can easily make about 8 to 10 lakh rupees plus profit, maybe more. If your potential is there, you're putting full-time effort, you can do more. There are so many ready-made e-commerce stores which I already have. I'm showing you one of the samples, for example. These are themes, you can just customize them and you can make your own. You can just design it completely. And this is very easy to do. So back here in this list, you are going to get the plug and play e-commerce builder of different type of products that you can simply list in the e-commerce store and you can start exporting them. So what you're getting, ready-made business, and at a very low price. I'm not charging you 50-60 lakhs. Just the cost to cost for the e-commerce store builder, the mentorship, the guidance, and the software tools. And you're also getting complimentary access of the buyers and suppliers database. Everything included, and it is much lower cost than any other investment you will be doing. If you're investing in stock market today, you can make 2x, 3x profits. But you're investing in a startup today, you can make much bigger profits. That is the power of starting your own e-commerce business today. And that's why I want you to join the e-commerce revolution with Indian Institute of E-commerce. And then you can become a full-time entrepreneur. Or if you're already an entrepreneur, I want you to take this decision to get started with the export of products from India to the global market. So join us in this revolution today.